Welcome, guys, my YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Joseph, electrical teacher. Today, we want to study about connecting three switches to control two lamps independently. Welcome. We have to revisit some symbols. These are two-way one-gun switch. These are the intermediate switch. These are two-way one-gun switch.
This is how you can draw a CCU. CCU consists of three things. We have a earth block or earth termination point. We have neutral block or termination point. Then we have a live where we mount circuit breakers. Earth, we have a symbol for earth. It is a three small stick like that. That is incoming from the meter box. We have a double pole here or a main switch. We have earth which is bonded to the CCU. So you connect a live to the common L1, L2. These are two ways, one gang switch. We have a wire to the intermediate switch like that. So all these, they would come to L1, L1, then that is L2. So these will go to the third switch, which is a two-way one gang switch. That is L2. L1 cable will go to L2, and the other one is from L2 to L1 like that. Then that we go to common. Will feed the lamp. We call that lamp feed. That is a neutral cable. That is a neutral cable. I want to this one we have called it lamp feed. It is from the common point to the lamp. Then we have said this one is a neutral from the CCU, neutral block. Always remember, neutral will always go to the switch, to the lamp, not to the switch. I want to loop this common so that we can switch these two lamps independently. Then I will also loop a neutral neutral. I join that neutral to that neutral. We also call that lamp feed. As you can see, we have looped that one. We have looped that one to that bulb. Neutral we have joined with that one to that lamp, second lamp. That is a main switch or a circuit breaker. So this is an intermediate switch, one gang two-way switch, one gang two-way switch. Remember, here we have a junction box as indicated in our schematic diagram. We have a junction there. I can switch on here, switch off from that point. Again, I can switch off from this point and switch on from this point, and also I can switch off from this point and switch on from that point, or I can switch on from this point and switch off again at the same point. That's how it is supposed to work.
CCU. So CCU consists of 3 things. We have arc block, neutral block, and light bar, or also block. This from the meter box. Now this is light. It goes to the common. We have the 1 and 2. These two wires, we call them strappers. These are strappers, these are strappers, strappers, common. Common to the lamp. We look from the common point to the other lamp. Neutral to the lamp, we look the lamp. So if I switch on, I can also switch off from this point. I can switch on from this point and switch off from this point. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Jose, the teacher. Today we want to demonstrate how to connect 3 switches to control 2 lamps independently. So we have our 2-way 1-gang switch, a 2-way 1-gang switch, and intermediate switch. Now, these we have in 2 lamp holders. We call them button lamp holders. We have 1.5 millimeter square cable, and also we have a single socket, 13 amperes. Now, this is our CCU. We have our circuit breaker. This is used to as a protective device against the shock, overload, and any abnormality in electricity. Now, let's start. So our live wire will come all the way to the common, and in the common, then we will have one wire from L2 to L1 on the intermediate switch. We have L1 to L1 in the intermediate switch. We have L2, L2. So L2 will go to L1 of this two-way switch, and L2 will go to L1 again on this two-way switch. And we have a common one. Common will go to lamp, and we will loop this common to go to the other lamp, and then we have neutral from our CCU to go through to lamp. Then we loop to the other lamp. So this is how this circuit will work. If I switch here on, I can switch off from this point. I can switch on from this point. As well, I can switch again on from this point and switch off on the same point or this point. Again, I switch off from that point or on from this point, then off from this point. Now, this is used in long corridors and also on the staircases or staircase.